Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going to be making a glitch effect intro. So let's begin our video. So first we need a logo for us. This is going to be a logo intro. So I'll get my logo first. So I have downloaded it already. So this is my logo, my current logo. So actually we need to get a black background. So click on media images and click on background. Then extend its duration to like 13 seconds. Then we can add our logo. Click on layer because we need to add a logo inside the background. So I will make this size bigger, and I want this logo to be in circle shape. So to keep this in circle shape, we need to click on cropping, click on mask, click on shape, and click on circle, and click on OK. Now let's extend our video and make this rotate this and make this size bigger by using the white buttons. Then you should make this at least this bigger, like this. Okay, now we need to add an animation in, so which will come. So I showed the preview light, like that it will come. So click on the animation button, rotate it to normal, and make the size smaller. Make sure to click on the plus icon in the animation tab. Click on the key symbol for the animation. Okay, you can see right now it's slow, but I'll make it fast later in this video. Okay, I'm checking everything if any mistakes are there. So okay, good. I'll make this smaller later in the video. Okay, now we need some glitch effects in our video, in our intro. But first I'll blur my logo and make this fade out from the blur. So I'll extend a black background in the image, and over here, right over here, to make a glitch intro, we'll need glitch effects and all. So click on layer and click on effects, click on basic effects, and click on Gaussian blur. Click on it and cover the bigger photo in it, like extend it till the logo, like this. Then click OK. Then when it's getting smaller, when it will get completely smaller, we will remove the blur. Means we should not extend it, just keep the Gaussian blur like that only. Okay, now next what we'll do is we'll add some glitch. So this is a glitch effect type intro. We need glitch. To make this glitch, click on layer, effects, click on the shop button on the top. So don't worry, this VHS rewind is free, I think. Maybe let us check. I wish it's free. I hope it's free. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it's free. So click on VHS rewind and click on download. Now it's downloaded. Now go back to our editing area, click on the VHS rewind, and you see we have glitching, but it's too long and it's going like scribbling like the screen. So we will make this for a short time. For a very short time we will make this glitch. Yeah, this will be okay. So now you see, like it's like a very small glitch effect intro. Means it's not completed yet because we need to make the logo First, so click on the logo and click on the tab icon and go to the red dot and click on the minus symbol in the animation. Then after some time, like over here at 1 second 6:55, make your logo smaller and make that straighter and smaller like this. Then at the beginning we need to click on the key symbol. You need to go ahead for a second, then click on the plus icon, then we can make this bigger like this. I hope this works, or else we'll use another method which I know. No, this doesn't work, so I know another method for this. So is remove this animation, click on the key, click on the go to the red bar and click on it and click on the minus symbol. Okay, now to make this faster, in the second method we'll make this bigger at the first as usual. Then over like 673 seconds, 670 milliseconds or 10 seconds, we will make this like smaller. We will make this like smaller like this. So let's just oops, I have not done the animation, sorry about that. So make this bigger after some seconds, 962 milliseconds, make this smaller. Let's check if this works. Then we have almost completed our intro. Okay, let's check this. Oops, yeah, this works completely right. So yeah, let me reduce the duration of the blur, delete the effects, and one more time I'll add the effects, means the VHS rewind effects. So VHS rewind. You can see now I'll make this smaller for a short time, and let's check our intro. Means we need to add one more glitch, so it's very easy. Make adjustments for your intro like this. So we have one glitch, where we need to have a second glitch in this video, so in this intro. So we need to click on effects again, VHS rewind. Now I'm gonna get the same duration and I'm gonna reduce the size of this too. Just what we have done to the Gaussian blur to extend its size, will decrease its size. Now I'll shorten it, and now we have created our intro, guys. So check it out. So yeah, this is our intro. You can add music if you want by clicking on the audio button and scroll down folders and download folder. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our video, and if you want to post this intro, you can send it in Discord or Facebook or Instagram. I'll give the links in the description, you can check it out.